Hey guys, how's it going? I'm OverallGeek and welcome back to Mist Survival. So last time, we kinda ended up in this little shack of ours. We secured it and made it look, pretty much better what it did. Okay, well, as good as a little shack can be. But today, we're gonna get a better base, which involves pretty much securing this barn over here and then also going and getting more loot and hopefully going and getting a shotgun today. Because I really want our shotgun. I'd like to have the shotgun. But yeah, no. So those little fences that you guys saw me use, we're actually going to use to secure this. So let's see. So what do we need? We're going to need more. Oh, wow. Actually, I have still a lot of stuff on me. So we're gonna need sticks and components. Let's go see what we actually have back in the little shack really quickly. Running around, 'cause I gotta survive. I don't know, I'm just singing randomly. Okay, oh cool, I can put some stuff in here that I don't need to be carrying around on me. Okay, so there's some branches in that one. There's scrap metal. Okay, what's in here? Nothing that helpful. Cool, I have branches. But I should actually, well, okay, I have enough, I think, to make one of these. Yeah, component wise, I have enough to make one. That's not a whole lot. Okay, cool. Rest of this stuff, unfortunately, we're just gonna have to drop right here. I haven't ever seen it disappear. Oh. Well, the blueberry we can eat, and we'll actually just take one of these with us. Gosh dang it. Come here. Come here. There we go. That we need to eat and drink anyway. So drink up. Go ahead and eat this chocolate bar. I should put this Coca-Cola back then. Go ahead and eat this apple because the apple's gonna go bad. We don't want that. We don't want our stuff going bad if we can help it. Also, the next thing is that we're also gonna want to stock up some more, but we will get there eventually. Okay. Yeah. So we can actually pick these back up and then put them in. Wrong one. Still the wrong one. I guess we could have just done that. Wow. Wait it. Okay. Good job overall. Oh well. So let's see. So what was left? Oh, those logs. Let's just drop those off on the outside here. Because eventually, hopefully, we'll be able to end up be able to make a bed, because kind of nice not to always have to keep sleeping on the floor. Alright, well, one of the things that we are going to go do, we're going to go up to that watchtower. I'm just going to kind of give this house a good little wide berth, because there's a lot of them in there, and I don't want to play with them. Oh no. It's stuttering. That's thinking. There we go. Alright. Now, one of the things I did notice in one of my downtime games, I hadn't noticed this until then. I don't know if it was a glitch, if it was a bug, or what, but I have seen a bear around here. So I'm just going to be a little kind of cautious and keep my ear out for galloping. Not hearing anything, so that's good. That's actually really good. Alright, yeah, let's go up here and go see if there is anything up here for us. Such a long walk. Interact. Hey, yes it is. There is the beautiful shotgun that we actually quite enjoy having. I like using it. Me personally, I like using it for hunting. I think it's actually one of the better hunting weapons until you can make the hunting bow. Oh yeah, and there's also... Okay, I forgot about that. But yeah. Let's see if there's anything in this. So far, nothing. Oh yeah, those bottom drawers don't have anything. Nothing. Nada. Nothing. Cool. One thing you can do is you can destroy these. I believe you get wood scraps out of it. Yeah. There we go. You can't move them. The only thing that they're good for is destroying to get some wood scraps out of. Which are pretty good to actually kind of have. Oh, hey, look at that. There's a chair up here. You can move. Nothing else on those shelves. Nope, nothing. This bag we're gonna take back with us. Maybe. Sorry, but I have to keep looking down at. I try to remember where M is. If I don't look down, I tend to hit the N. And then I'm like, why isn't this working? Because you're hitting N and not M. That's why it's not working. There we go. Alright, we'll go ahead and just plot this on down. And it's gonna go flying. Cool. That is over there by Bear. Awesome. I want to risk my life for a bag. Let's do it. Oh, please don't let there be a bear over here. At least, like, right here. That would be so bad. Please just let me have my bag and let me walk. Oof, I don't want to fall down that because then I can sprain an ankle. And then I can't run. And not being able to not run in this game is bad. It's really, really bad to not be able to run in this game. You know, one thing I am super excited about. Not that. Oh, is that a bear? Oh, that's a bear. Where'd it go? Oh, snap. Where did the bear go? Guys? Oh, dear Lord. Where did that bear go? I don't know if he just despawned or what. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. No more fooling around. Time to add that. Where'd it go? I keep hearing something like in my ear. It has me so freaked out right now. Alright, we're gonna try going for that bag. Because we need a little bit of extra storage. And hopefully the bear isn't around. Can I grab that? Bear? Bear? Somewhere over here? No? Can I grab this? Oh my gosh, I swear, if he ends up spawning behind me, not gonna be very happy. Okay, I think we're in the clear. I think we're okay. Oh, dude. A little bit nerve-wracking. I don't... I think bears are one of the most terrifying things right now in this game. but everything will probably change once the developer adds the tank. The tank infected. I'm not excited about that thing. That thing looks so freaky. I'm not looking forward to having to go up against that thing. Oh man. Alright, let's go on this over to our shack. Walk, 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 walk. Walking with the bags is actually a lot easier than trying to run with them. I've noticed. I just tend to... Are they coming out of the house after me? Was that about to be hit in the back? Did you guys hear that? Oh my gosh. Holy crap, that made like my heart drop there for a second. Oh my gosh, I thought they were coming out of the house. Can't be. Oh, I'm not okay with that. No, you stay in that house. You, no. Just, no. You're gonna come out. Oh, man. That made my heart drop for a second. Whew. No, thank you. Okay, cool. So now you have a little more space. Eventually, I will actually end up organizing all this. I can probably just do that off camera. So you guys don't have to watch and get bored watching me do that. Because I can understand if it's probably a little boring. Okay, well, now that we have our shotgun, how about we go... I'll go see if we can maybe go find a few more components. I know there's some other places we can kind of hit up. That'll be kind of be good for us. So, oh, one thing I wanted to see. Is there anything good in this? Oh, just that. Alright, well, we'll definitely have to get a jury can. We'll definitely have to get a car going. Because a car will be kind of nice to be able to have. Of course, I can't decide if I want to go for the car first, or if I want to go find the pickup truck. Because I did hear that the developer did do an update fix on the car, or on the truck, so it's not shaking. When I first caught it, it would sit there and literally just shake. And I mean, it would shake. I did not care for it. I didn't like the fact of how much it was shaking. It was kind of frightening, actually. Well, I guess not really frightening. I guess I was more scared that it was just gonna flip randomly. And a couple times it did flip on me. That did suck. I do keep on wanting to pick up stones and sticks because they are kind of necessary to have for doing everything. Like I said, no, I haven't exactly explored all this map. I've explored what I needed to for be able to survive in my game. I got fairly far, actually, but I know there's still quite a bit of a map that I technically haven't explored yet. And I'm going to go over here because there's a bear that likes to spawn over there. And this bear, every time, I swear it wants to eat me. It tracks me down in like any game I've played on this, any time I've ever done it. That bear always wants to eat me. Okay, I know there's another little shack over here. At least I thought there was. Where is it? Oh, am I out of stamina? Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, it's running out of stamina. Oh, there it is. Okay, I see it. We're going to continue walking. Oh, boy. Oh, man. It's actually really funny seeing that a few months till winter. It's winter here. I don't know where you guys live at or anything else, but where I live at right now in Idaho, there's snow. And I have been so so cold. And everything else. I don't mind the snow. I actually kind of like the snow. The snow's a lot of fun. But, I wasn't ready for it quite yet. It got cold and then it just snowed. And it keeps snowing. It's actually been snowing all day today. So, I'm actually happy I'm inside right now doing this. Oh, what is going on? Oh, okay. Sweet, another upgrade. Ooh, that one's a +3. Got a hammer, another axe, saw. Okay, I do not remember this much stuff being in here when the last time I came and looted. Oh yeah, another bandage. Sweet. That is awesome. And another knife. Cool, cool. Can we destroy that? Oh no, 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 I don't want to destroy the hut. No, no, no. Ah! There we go. Holy crap. I don't want to destroy the freaking shack I'm in right now. There it goes. There we go. Lots of wood scraps. That can actually help us get planks and things like that. Cool, another rock. Okay, so yeah, so there's cars over here. Let's go check them out. Yeah, I know. So these cars right here that have the little person icon, we can actually build these. Okay, I had to check where I was at there for a second. We can build these up, and we can drive them around. So we'll eventually do that. So I said, like, I can't decide if I want to do the car first, or if I want to get the pickup so I can move stuff and we can get our base going a little bit quicker with getting stuff. So I guess that'll be something either I can decide later, or maybe you guys can help me decide if you guys want me to do the car first, or if you want to see me get the truck. If you want to, you know, do that, you can put it down in the comments below, and I will definitely check them out and listen to you guys' suggestions of what you would like to see me go get first, for the car or the pickup truck. And I will go do either. Ow! Okay, there's a lot of loot over here. I might actually have to come back, because, yeah, I have like one spot left. Man, I'm finding a lot of metal scraps. Which I mean, like, I'm not complaining about. Ooh, yes, more components. Okay, more components first. Yeah, what do I look like? Oh no, okay, I've got 2 spots. I mean, I could probably go ahead and eat. I'm not gonna do it while I'm sitting down here, though. That's a little frightening. Oh, there's 3 bags over? Okay, so far, okay. I've seen 2 bags. Nope, there's a 3rd bag. Holy cow, man. Dang, that's, oh my gosh, there's 4? Holy crap, that's so many bags. That is awesome. A battery. Yes! Jerrycan. Oh no! I'm too full. Okay. You know, let's go on top of this trailer here. I'm pretty sure we can get up there. Yeah. Maybe? Oh no. Come on. Come on, get up there. There we go. I had to do a bit of a double jump there. Because I'll feel a little bit safer sitting up here trying to eat. Just in case. It's only 10:30 in the morning in game. It's not too bad. We'll go ahead and eat this too. Just to splurge a little. Just a little. Not gonna splurge too much. Alright, sweet. Got the gas can. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I don't know if I want to sit there and try walking back. I'll definitely grab that. I think that fills us up. With the bags, because again, that's something that we can come back and get with the pickup trucks. With the pickup trucks. So there's no fuel there. Maybe as we walk back, we'll grab some fuel out of some cars. There we go. Fill the can. Kind of do this, and that'll be kind of the first kind of few things that we do. Yeah. trying to loot. Doesn't this car have a lot of gas in it? I guess let's go look really fast. I'm just keeping my ears aware for that bear, because I know that bear is over there. Okay, yeah, no, this did actually have quite a bit. And a little over a liter, which is awesome. And I guess it is one other thing too, in that the developers are doing in one of the last uploads, one of the last updates, is that fuel will actually, oh my gosh, dude, that shadow just freaked me out of the corner of my eye. Will actually respawn every, I think it's like day 30, 60, and 90. So pretty much every 30 days, we'll get fuel respawn up in here. Which I mean is great. I mean it's not bad. But yeah, no, I know he's working super hard on this. I still love it. It's an amazing game. I find so much fun in doing this. Oh my gosh. I don't want to be attacked by a bear. Ugh, that'd be so bad. There's so much stuff on me right now. Okay, there's nothing in there. What about these two cars? Any fuel? Nice, okay, yeah, there's some parts and stuff. That's good to know. We'll be able to come back and grab those. Well, and I think now too we also have enough to secure that barn. Enough components to secure it. Oh hey, there's drags right there. Do I have enough room for them all? Oh, apparently I do. That's awesome. How much more room do I have for branches? Yeah, I've got room. I think they can stack up to like 16 or something like that, and then we'll grab up as many rocks as we can. Okay, as many rocks as we can carry. Cool. I had enough room for one more. That's a leaf. You can't do anything about that right now. Can't do nothing about that. Oh, sweet. Look at all that fuel. That is awesome. I am not complaining. Yeah, whatever vehicle, man. It's definitely gonna have lots and lots of fuel that I can put in it, which is awesome. See, the nice thing about doing this, like running and stopping, is that my stamina goes back up, which is fantastic. Because you never know when you're gonna need your stamina all the way up. Like right now. Oh my gosh, I do not want to die during this mist, you guys. Oh, crap. Can we make it back? Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Can we make it back on the stamina? Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh no, I don't want to lose anything I have on me. If I didn't have stuff on me, I wouldn't mind it, but I have all this good stuff on me. Oh crap, I don't know if we can make it back in time. Oh, it's getting so thick. Oh, there's our place. Oh, we're almost there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a note factor. Woo, okay. I feel better now. We are. So that's the one thing I never did do, was set this to base. There you go. That way, if I do die, there's a place to come back to. Oh, man. Okay, well, I guess during the mist we could sit here and craft a bunch of stuff up. Which is one thing I do like to do. I did get lashing, though. That is awesome. Yeah, and we can sit here and make this into sticks. Yeah, so it stacks up to 16. Put that over there. No one likes you. Go away. You smell funny. Go away. Go away. Oh, he's angry. Oh, snap. Oh my gosh, dude. I didn't know he could see me. I guess I shouldn't have made fun of him. Oh, can I hit him? Nope. Denied. You can't destroy the shelter. That's amazing. I'm afraid that he's gonna be able to clip through and hit me, though. Oh man, don't make fun of them. They get angry. Do not make fun of them. Okay, man, I learned my lesson. Holy cow! Go away now. Shoo. Jeez. Holy crap. Do not make fun of them. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Let's put that there. All those pills can go somewhere else. Cool, we also did get nails. That's what I thought. Holy cow, man. I need so much. So much, so much, so much. I just don't know what to do with all of it. I am at a loss here. Oh, wow. Yeah, we're gonna have to just see what maybe we can craft from here. I mean, we can definitely do sticks. Let's go and craft up a bunch of sticks. He's roaming around all cranky. Still hear him. Okay, cool. It's over. It is starting to feel really cramped in here. Oh yeah, what was what's what I need for a bed? 6. Oh man, I still don't think I'm gonna have enough. Oh, wait, actually no, I might be able to have enough after kind of going and doing this. Let's go look really fast. Let's go build this for this barn. Because I will probably end up moving over here eventually, so that way we don't have to. Oh, my components, I forgot, are over in the little shack still. Oh, let's go grab those. Oh my goodness, why did I do that? Why did I forget to do that? Wow. Way to go. Way to forget the freaking things that you needed. Okay. Oh, and wrong one. Oh, wait, wrong one. No. Okay, I need boards, nails, and a hammer. Which we do have. We do have. I'm pretty sure we have more boards. It's either that or I can make more if I need to, which is no biggie. So we have the nails, there's the hammer. Huh, okay. Yeah, I think we just need to make like one more board. And we can make that from the wood scraps. So we're gonna go do that really quickly. Be able to secure this barn. So that way the barn is secure, ready to go. And then we can slowly start moving over here and not have to be so cramped and confined in that little itty shack. Okay. Go ahead and build that up. Build that. Perfect. Oh no. Come on, game. There we go. I hate when it does that. Okay, so. Oh, gosh dang, I did it again. Yeah, we just need one more to finish building this. Which then we can go into here, go down to wood scrap. That one takes 25 minutes. From the wood scrap finish building this. And I do that because then I can go whoop, and then you duck, and then boom. And then this is secure because then zombies, bandits, they literally cannot get past this stuff, which is awesome. And then as far as we know for now, these windows can't break them. Cool. Well, you guys, this is where we are going to end up moving into. Moving all of our stuff from the shack. At some point. But for right now, though, we're gonna keep that shack as our base. Because I don't know if we have enough supplies to do other things. Which, I mean, I'll probably end up having to cut down trees and stuff off camera to get some more stuff. Oh, which, actually, speaking of those trees, let's grab a few logs. Okay, yeah. Grab a few of these. Grab a saw. What do I do with that? There it is. Oh no, I have one on me. Not to worry about it. Oh, we can put the jerry can back in here. Hey guys, guess what? I think we can make a bed. I think we can. Gosh dang it. I hate when I do that and I click on the wrong bag. Which is gonna be awesome, because that means no more sleeping on the floor for us. Oops. Potato back. And we'll do that. And then, okay, we'll go and get this started. And all we need is the boards, which is, go into here. Perfect. Like exactly 8. We'll have to eat and drink something here in just a little bit. Sorry, I know I keep looking down. It's because my phone is going off. Oh, wait. I don't want to sleep just yet. Hang on. Whoa! Slow down. Oh, I should have ate and then drank. Oops. Oh well. That's okay. At least we know we can do it. We have it. I'll definitely take those shotgun shells and fill up my shotgun all the way full. Yeah, I'll definitely have to organize all this stuff off camera. So that way you guys don't have to worry about watching me do this. But that won't be too hard. Okay, cool. And then we'll take the shotgun shells out, put that in there. Get another bag, we can put stuff in. Oh, that can actually go over this other spot. Sorry guys, you are going to stay here and watch me do this just for a second, just because it's on my mind. Okay, what did I just do with it? There. Huh. Whatever. We'll organize that at a different time. Obviously. And then we'll sit here, load up the shotgun, reload. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That puts us at full for that. We'll go ahead and sleep. Oh, that felt really good. I just popped. 4 in the morning. That's okay. Okay, yeah. Well, now that we actually have the shotgun, we're eventually going to have to go hunting to do that. So, because of that, actually, let's look to see what it's going to take to make a campfire and a grill stand. So campfire is 6 branches and 8 rocks. Well, we definitely have the rocks. And a grill stand, okay, we just have the freaking component for it. Wow. Okay, well, we definitely have all of this stuff. We have the one component for it, which is awesome. We just need to grab some branches, which we can do by chopping on a tree here. All the lovely sounds of the night. You guys are just so excited to see me sitting here, just scouring for this stuff. I think that's 5. Okay, yeah, so we need one more. We definitely need the tree bark. I mean, we'll go ahead and we'll cut the tree down because we need it for firewood. Anyway. Oh, which actually we need to grab the biofuel and then like half of those matches. Yeah. Of course. There we go. Whew. Dude, I thought we lost them there for a second. Holy crap. It's so weird. Like, you can, it's almost like somebody like opening up like the cabinets and then closing it, like when you open, like the sound of when you open up cabinets. It's so creepy. So I'm glad like we don't have cabinets right now. Because I'd be going, who the heck's in our cabinets? What are you doing in my house? Oh, pfft. Geek, you didn't grab the freaking stones. Okay, we're gonna come all the way over here because those guys will come wandering out and we don't have the sun to protect us right now. What was that one right there? Oh, dude, I swear I saw one. And man, they will pursue. If there is no sun to protect you, they will pursue. They will have no issue pursuing you. Holy crap, man. Why am I doing this like this? Maybe because I'm like, I can be in there and I'm gonna be protected. Oh well. Sorry, my nose itches. Oh my gosh. There we go. Awesome. Alright, we'll get in here. Ah, I feel a little bit safer now. And then we'll go ahead, we'll build our campfire. Yeah, get our campfire built. Sweet. And then we'll go ahead and build our grill stand on top of it. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright. And then we'll go and put this in here. Tender there. Our matches there. And then we'll go ahead and chop up some wood. We'll go ahead and do 16, why not? Put 8. Well, actually split that. And then we'll throw this firewood right here next to it. There we go. Beautiful! Absolutely beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So we have a way to be able to get, we have a way to make food, not get food. We have a way to be able to make food. We technically have a way to get food. This guy. Our beautiful shotgun. Which you guys actually get to see what I consider one of the best hunting spots. I'm gonna have to change it up a little bit, considering I don't have a car right now. Definitely let me know though if you guys want me to go get the pickup truck or the car. Which one do you want me to go get first? definitely put it down in the comments below. If you guys are enjoying me doing this series, please hit that like button so I know for sure. And if you're new, please subscribe. Alright guys, I think we're going to end it here. We'll go hunting in the next episode. Go get some food. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Bye!